Alright, here we go again. This is something a little different. We're going to be working on, we got two projects to do. One for my uncle and also myself. We're going to try and get some bikes made with some motors. So this is going to be a new segment of the channel and so forth. So here you'll see me work on a few, two projects and stuff like that. Got my cousin here as well. This engine is too weak, so I gotta take it off and get a new one. They have one at the pawn shop for $50, a chainsaw, so that's pretty interesting. I'm gonna see if I can get it started, but today we're gonna be working on this. We want to remove this, see if it's still good, spray it down with grease, we'll take it apart and get that done. We have another engine in the house. That engine is very lightweight Honda engine, and we're gonna try and get that on the bike as well. So what I did was I just took those bolts off and pulled this off. This is what we're going to be measuring out. And we're trying to see if this will fit a 4 horsepower engine. Put it right here. We're going to see if that can fit on our 4 horsepower engine. Making big power. No, just kidding. 1 million views, here we go.
Look at this dude. We gotta meme it out first.
Huh?
We gotta meme it out.
We gotta meme it out, bro.
You had to. So now what?
Oh, we're gonna edit this part out.
Oh, for real?
Not all of it. Some of it.
It's still recording.
That's okay. There is a proper tool for this, but I don't care.
You hear this, folks? He do not care. I'll try this at home, kids.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's why that one. Oh God, that thing is still. The element took
this
that.
thing is done.
The element took that.
All that for nothing.
Oh, at least you know.
This one's done. Yeah, that engine. Better days.
And get the plug off of that motor.
Try it out.
I'm recording.
Get this thing to run.
I'm recording. I'm zooming in. Zooming out. As you can see, guys, we're professionals. Zoom in a little word right there.
As you can see, my caring is lowering by
Feels like I can touch it. You pull the thing.
like this.
Oh. Maybe you need more core and wiring to it.
I hear it.
Oh, I see smoke. Oh, it might blow. Can you not? I saw smoke. I saw something fly out of it too.
That's it trying to start.
I guess we gotta buy a new one.
Yeah, new one it is. This is dead. This engine's dead.
Sorry for wasting y'all time, guys.
Sorry for wasting your time.
The video not even gonna be uploaded anyways. So let's start memeing out.
How much you want to bet?
Bro, you're not gonna upload this, are you?
100 views.
Oh God.
100 views. All I gotta do is some clickbait. I'm gonna say blows up engine. We have an electric bike too that we may use for parks, but we're actually looking for a 3-volt bike for the bigger engine. I gotta replace two engines, get a good engine that runs. Yeah. So far the chain won't fit, so we gotta figure out something about that. My cousin just put together his bike. His bike is the, I think it's a 49cc kit bike. You'll probably see that run someday. So, yep, 49cc, pretty easy to put together, and so forth. So he's making it happen. So, folks, what you gotta do is you gotta add your grease. And once you add your grease, your problems are all solved. That's how far it's gonna go. And then all I gotta do is probably, if there's threads in there, we gotta use a big bolt, a washer, and that's it. Yep. If the build doesn't work out, I might just get a kit like my cousin and just do that. So that'd be a very fun bike to ride. Alright, man. Take it easy, bro. So yeah, we can do that easily, you know, put a kit together. We can put a kit together, or we can get, well, I'm gonna get rid of this engine and see if I can get one of these to work, get the other one to work, and see how that goes.